Hello dolly friends and welcome to my channel. I just got this in today from a Target. This is the Laura black and white spectrum. This one is a ball jointed doll. 5 styles and find the hidden surprise. This is put out Batat collectibles. That is by Toy City products. If your information, and here are the different ones you can get. Madame Butterfly, that's my favorite. And then this is Night Fairy Tale and Flowery Dance. Those are my 3 favorites. And then down here, those are the black. And then we got Dreamy Crown, Pastoral, Love Poetry, and Aurora Fantasy. See, of the white, she's my favorite. And then, of course, there's a hidden or secret one. And then these dolls, this is what all it comes with. And then body functions introduction. So the wig and face are removable, rotated, and disassembled head, movable elbow joint, movable thigh joint, movable knee joint. And there's hands, movable shoulder joint, movable waist joint, the elbow, double jointed, rotated waist, disassembled, and replaceable palms. There you go. I think they are anatomically correct too, I think. There you can, there's the QR if you wanna, so it is for 12 and up. So, let's just open her up here. Just easier. Maybe my dogs, where my dog. They don't come in a bag, they come like this. Okay, here's the outfit. It looks like one of the white ones, which that is fine. And then here are the hands and the shoes, like little loafers. And there's so there's the crown. So that's the one we got. And then here is, well, look at that here in a second. So, here, let's set this. I'm trying not to drop. I don't know how I'm doing this one-handed. I'll see. I may have to pause. Let me cover her up. Yeah. So here she is. Look at the little feet. Kind of odd. Just keep you covered up here until I get you dry. Oh, look at her face. So she's got the little white hair with the little buns. And she's got the blue eyes with stars in them and kind of blue detailing on her face. Her eyebrows are blue and kind of a blue up on the eyelid. A little blue coming off there on top of her, like a eyeliner, kind of. She got some little white stars underneath the one eye. And so, you can take the head, the wig and the head. I'm not going to do all that right now. But I like her. She got pink lip and some blushing, in the ears and on her feet and her hands. Once I get her dressed, we'll look at her better. I think I'm going to just pause for a second and get her dressed. So. Okay, we're back. I got her at least her clothes on, so she's kind of covered up. I just need to get her straightened up here a little bit. Okay, and then we'll get her I'll tuck that in better, but here's her where did this go? Maybe I'll put something. Yeah, this goes. I'm not sure how to get this. Here, hang on just a second. Okay. Yeah, her head comes off quite easily. Once I need to straighten her up here a little bit, but she's really cute. So yeah, everything. Let's get her shoes. See how her crown does. I've never had one of these dolls. I mean, they're jointed like a rainbow high, but without. Let's see how this opens here. Okay, let's get the, trying to do it without covering up the phone here. Yeah, there we go. I'm getting this figured out. Okay, here are the little shoes. Let's get this open right here. And luckily this is perforated nicely. They did a nice job. We can get in with that. Let's see how this says it. Or does it have a, oh, it got a strap. So it got a little, I was wondering how it's gonna stay on. Let's get it all where it'll go in. Let me get my phone set here. Okay. Oh, I do like her. That would get worse. She's not blurring. Sorry, I thought of setting my tripod up here, but I didn't want to do it. So there she is, and let's see if I can hold her. Let's do it like this. I'll show you her joints. Okay, so she can move her head like that. And then her arms and her, let's see. Yep, there's her little, I think everything is double jointed in. So she can, really, lots of posability. Oop, what? Oh, her shoe. Pick that up and said, they're not gonna let the thing hurt shoes. I think she'll stand, so sitting on a shelf, they're fine, but. And she's got movement at the hip, and there's her. Her joint, there's no ankle. So that is her jointing of the shoulder rest. She moves all at the wrist. Let me get her shoe here. Might have to, you could probably get some, that, like what's on her, that clear, elasticy stuff, and put it around her shoes if you wanted to keep them on. But that is her. Yeah, I need to tuck in. I can't do stuff here one-handed very well. But she wasn't, you know, she's really cute. Like I said, I don't have a ball jointed that's this side. Let me set her down and we'll look at. Here just to tell more about what she comes with and her posability in the hands. Which I'm going to keep those sealed up for right now until but she's got all the different hand gestures. Then there's just a little card with her dreaming crown. That's who she is. There's the QR code if you want more. So, that is, trying to keep all that together. Everything she comes with. Now here this is the plushie version. So, yeah, she's a little bit, I thought she might have been the same. She's, a little bit taller. I'm going to say she's probably 10 inches, I guess. I don't think she's quite as tall as Rainbow High, but I'm thinking a little bit taller, maybe around 8, 9, 10 inches, maybe somewhere around there. So this is the little panda one. They're, what are they called? Chinese mystic beast. This is the panda in the bamboo forest. I think it's this one. They're very hard. This is the only, I got her at Target. These are sold at Target, and I think she was 19 and she was 19. They're both, whichever. They're both the plus and then this ball joiner. They're both 19. So, trying to get her posed. So she got blessing on her, her on her belly. She's got her little belly button. So, these are really cute. These are, these are from China. They're, I guess, trying to get these in the U.S., so they've given them to Target. Now, I had her shipped. Said they had her for pickup, and then got a notification they didn't. So find a store, have it shipped, or cancel order. I said, well, just have it shipped to me. It's hot, and as soon as I placed the order at the other store, it probably telling me it's gone anyway. So I just thought, oh, let's not waste time. So they just shipped it to me for free since I placed the order. So it was on them that they didn't have it in stock when it told me it was. So a lot of times they will, anytime I've had that happen, they'll ship it to you. Or if you particularly don't mind seeing if they have another store, you can do that. But she's really, I kind of like her. So, these are kind of, gothy. No, they're giving a very goth. Uh, with the black and white. Thought if you're like me and like, you know, gothy kind of doll, these are really nice. These are really cute. And the 19's not a bad price for a jointed doll. I know you go on Amazon, something similar, probably gonna be more. So these are really cute. I like the eyes. So anyway, that is it. Jump off of here. But anyway, I'm excited about my new little ball jointed doll. I'm really excited to have one of these. You know, I already took, the face plate comes off easy, so you can, easy to dress. So I guess you could switch out if you had if you got the different, collected this says, I guess you could, switch out their look even, I'm assuming. Now these I guess, I don't know, I haven't looked to see about changing out the eyes, but maybe you can. But she's got really pretty inset eyes. That's, just not a painted eye. Really cute. So anyway, thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, hit the notification bell, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.